Hello friends, welcome to a new and interesting video. In this video, we are going to show you some hairstyles which you can copy very easily. And we start without any delays. And the first one, here you can see many loops are there. And we make it, then we tie a knot there using the hair itself. So our first style is ready. Then this is our second style. Here also we use braiding technique, but as you can see, we take hair from the middle portion and the length of the hair that is from the braiding part is variant here. So that is the special attraction of this style. We can use some flowers also in this. Now, in this style, we have two braided pieces of hair. Then we roll it upwards and make it like a circle, and it forms like a bun there. Then we take two other small braided pieces of hair. Then we take it upwards and tie around the first one. Here also we braid the hair in the left side and in the right side, then insert through the loop at the center. Then using comb we make a loop at the center, then we twist it, we take it upwards and pin it there. You can use some flowers or other decorative items to add beauty to the style. Now we go to our next item. Here also we use the twisting technique and we roll it upwards, pin it there. Okay, so then roll again. You can use some flower pins to attach it tight. Now we have a loop at the center, and then we take small hair group. We are taking that to the center and we braid there. Okay, we do it again and again to the bottom. Okay, we are repeating the same process, so please watch it carefully and do it. Okay, you can do it on your own hair. You can make these hairstyles on somebody else. So knowing these techniques are essentially good. Okay. Now we are braiding again, and here we use a stick as a support for our tail. You can use this, you can copy this. Okay, so the same process that we have done for the right side is being repeated for the left side. So it has a symmetry, it has got a symmetry. And now we are braiding at the center. So this style takes time. Okay, so you should be very patient, but its outcome is that much great. As you can see, this looks like weaving a cloth. Okay, so with that much patience of weaving a cloth, you should braid the hair and it will definitely look like an amazing hairstyle. Okay, now we can move to our next item. Here also we have a loop at the center, and through that loop we take hair and insert some pieces from right side and left side, and at the middle piece we are making a loop and we are taking that upwards and we place 3 flower pins there. Such flowers or such decorative items for hair can be purchased from market. They're available. They don't cost much, so we can move to our next item. This is also looking good. Here we use a rubber band, hold it, then we comb the hair, then we can braid a small piece at the right side there. As you can see, we are braiding it. Then at the top portion, or the length from the braiding piece is variant. It is at the beginning or at the top it is very short, and when it comes to bottom the length increases. Okay, so that's it. We are doing the same for the left side, then we join it together using a rubber band. Now we can make a ponytail, then we make a loop there, and through that loop we twist it. Yeah, twist it and insert 2 loops together, then pin it together and we place a flower there. Now we can go to our next style. Here we have 2 loops, then we take the most of the hair through that loop, then we braid it. Okay, so you should definitely try these hairstyles and you should share your feedback, and you should share this video to your other friends as well. Thank you for watching.